Greetings all, Precious the New Jamaican here. I wanted to come on and let you know that this channel is going to change with respect to some of the content that I upload. It's going to go from less instructional to more day in the life. Since I have done those things that are necessary to become a Jamaican citizen, like I've received my TRN, I got my Jamaican citizenship, I got my Jamaican passport, we purchased a car, we've done an entire shipment to Jamaica, we've purchased some land, and we are now in the pre-construction stage of building our home on our land. I thought it would be interesting to show just my daily life as I integrate more into Jamaican society. Now there are going to be times that I upload content that are more of an instructional nature. For example, we have to get our driver's licenses, we have to get our voters registration cards. There are some other things that I want to give you some guidance and instructions on. So I will be peppering this channel with instructional video, but you are also going to see our daily lives as we integrate more into Jamaican society. I trust that this is some content that you will be interested in and that you will stay tuned for. See you in the next video.